So if
Okay, ma'am.
okay, just let me the PPT in the slide mode, then I will describe you. It's already done. Okay. So today is the binary number system. So this is the your octal number system. If we have any number and want to convert equivalent to binary, so this is the for 0 is the, could be the 000, 1 for the 001. If you remember, there is a number like we can write here 0, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Okay, have you remember this number system? Hello. So if we have any number and want to convert in binary numbers system or equivalent to binary, then simply we convert according this numbers according this number. Okay, means if we have a 0, then for converting in binary this also be the 0. Okay, हेलो हेलो, समझ में आ रहा है आप लोग को? हेलो,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? और अगर हमारे पास 1 होगा देन क्या लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पे? See, for 0 this is always is 0. Okay, but by default we are taking from this number system from 1. Okay, means for any number system we can write 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Okay, hello, hello. So if I want to convert any number octal number in binary number system, then simply we can write 001. Okay, hello, and for 2 there is the 0. Please don't unmute me. So sorry, mute me. Hello, hello, please give me answer, otherwise I don't give to anyone attendance for
Yes,
today.
ma'am.
And who is
Yes,
Ma'am, your
muting
ma'am.
voice
me
was
again and
cracking,
again?
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, your
bete.
voice was cracking. That's why I couldn't reply.
Okay, my voice is cracking. Now it's okay.
Yes, ma'am, a
Hello.
bit better.
मैम बीच बीच में क्रैक हो जा रही है.
Okay, so maybe some network issue. ये आपको समझ में आ रहा है? My octal to binary number system, how we can write?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, so hopefully for all number you can understand, है ना? If we want to 3, so you can see here 110 means हम यहाँ से ले रहे हैं. Okay, so for 3 this could be the 1 plus 1 is 3 and this could be the 0. Okay, hello. And for 4, if we have number 4, then how we can write 4 2 1. Okay, so simply here write 1 and then 0 0. Okay, so for the 4 we can write 1 0 0. Okay, and if you write 5, then 4, okay, plus 1, this is the 5, so this will be the 101. Okay, and for 6, 4 plus 2. Okay, so this will be the 110, or for 7 111. Hello,
Yes ma'am.
है ना? Okay, so this is the simple and already done. Okay, So now binary to octal. So we starting from the least significant bit, make group of 3 bits. Okay, in our previous slide we already see. And if there are 1 or 2 bits less in making the group, okay, so zeros can be added after the most significant bit, just like in the previous slide. Okay, so for convert each group into its equivalent octal number. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is the your binary to octal conversion. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here I am giving you some number and please convert it. Okay. So if I written here 410, so how we can you convert? Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
convert it. Please convert it. Hello, Vansika. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, are you done with this number? Hello. Are you done with this number?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what will be the answer?
0101 और मैम फिर 50.
Anyone else? Hello.
Ma'am, same answer.
Ma'am, same answer.
Okay.
Ma'am, same answer.
Same answer.
Okay. So, this will be the another example. Okay. So, this is your home assignment and you will practice. Okay. Hello.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, if we want to convert hexadecimal number to binary number, then up to 7 is the same. Okay. And then for 8, I told you before there is a 8420. So for the 8 number, this will be the 1000. Okay. And for 9, sorry, this one be the 1. Okay. So for 9, 8 plus 1. Okay, so this will be the 1001. And H denote for the 10, B denoting 11, C denoting your 12, D denoting 13, okay, E denoting 14 and F denoting 15. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you want to see, convert the C character, then what the number? 12. Okay, so 8 plus 4 is the 12. So here we can write 1 1, okay, and then 0 0. And for the D denoting 13, so simply we can add 8 plus 4 plus 1. So we can write 1 1 0 1. Okay. And for the 15, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15. Means all number will be the 111. Hello? है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, this is the, okay. Starting from the LSB and then 1 or 2 bit less in making the group. This is the your theory explanation in the previous for the previous slide. Okay. Hopefully you can understand this. We make the 4 group, 1 group, 2 group, and we can here or first this group. Okay, because we are taking the 4 number. Okay, so for this we are taking this, and again we want to take phone number. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for this, okay, 2C1. So this is for the 2, this is for the C, and this is for the 1. Okay, this is very simple. We just make the 4 group and convert as a binary number. Okay, which is based on the basically you have to remember 1, 2, 4, 8 and further 16 and then 32. Okay, but for the hexadecimal this is the enough. Okay, then all these question you can this all question is your home assignment. Okay, so how we can next is the how we can represent binary number system. So there is the two type of number system. First is the unsigned representation, and second is the signed representation. Okay. So what do you mean by the signed and or signed number system? So if we are talking about the positive number system, so this is the signed number system. Okay. Hello. Or another means another word we can say signed number representation are required to encode positive number and negative number in binary number system. Okay, so for the negative number in any base are represented by prefixing with the minus sign. Okay, and for the positive prefixing with. Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So there are also binary number system to present sign number system are sign and magnitude. Okay, sign and magnitude. So first is your the sign and rest of the number is known as the magnitude of the number. Okay. And there is also 1s complement number system and 2s binary number system. And also here one terminology known as the offset binary. Okay. Hello. So if I talk about the sign magnitude, okay, because they are the two we can represent from positive or negative. So if I talk about the sign magnitude representation, so sign magnitude or sign and magnitude representation, number sign is represented with the sign bit. Okay, this is known as the sign bit. Because in computer everything taking a bit. Okay. Hello. So
Yes, ma'am.
the most significant bit MSB to 0 for positive number. Okay. If we are taking 0, then it denote the positive number system, and if we take the 1, then this is denote the negative number system. And both they are known as the sign bit. Okay. For example, in any 8-bit byte, okay, I am talking about 8-bit byte. So only 7 bit represent the magnitude. Okay, which can range from the 000 or 111. Okay, for example, if I talk about the 127, so this range can be from the 0000. How many times 0? This will be the 7 time. Okay, or 7 time 111. Means this means is the our number can be range from minus 127 base 10 means hexadecimal to this is minus, okay, minus 127 to positive plus 127 base 10. Okay, can be represented sign bit, but the last bit is denoted it's positive or negative. Okay, let me clear all these things. Okay. So this is if another example, if I am taking 43, okay, 43, and if I denote in 43 base 10 and positive 43 base 10, so we can write here for the negative always your sign bit is the 1. Okay, the 1 denoting is the negative. This is the only for the showing ki your number is the negative. So there is the 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, but if we want to show positive number, so we take the 0. So both are known as the sign bit. Okay, to represent the positive or negative. Okay, so for this we can write here 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, means there are two ways to represent 0. Okay, also we can denote the 0 number in positive or negative. Okay, so if we denote the positive 0 number, so we simply write down the 0 0 0 0. If we want to denote negative, so first we write here 1 for the negative number system. Okay, then 0 0 0 0. Okay, and also addition or subtraction require different behavior. है ना, means if we add in two negative number or one positive and one negative or both positive number, so all the another your perform means addition or subtractions. Okay, addition and the subtractions both are the or the sum your can say some mode can be depend on the sign bit. Okay, means this is the in next slide we will see about the 1x complement, okay, or 2s complement. So these all the your addition subtraction depend on the sign bit, where 1s complement ignore the sign bit and just do an end around carry, and 2s complement can ignore the sign bit depend on the overflow behavior. Okay, we will see in further about the 1s complement and 2s complement. Okay, hello, but the main funda is this approach is directly comparable to the common way of sign placed in positive or negative number. Okay, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
so
ma'am.
this all about the signed representation, and unsigned representation is the very simple, means we have not assign any positive or negative sign to our number. Okay, means whenever we sign our number, that type number is known as the sign number, and where we do not sign any positive or negative sign, so this is known as the unsigned representation of any number. Okay, and always first number is known as the sign bit, and rest of the number is known as the magnitude of the number. Okay, so unsigned representation, non-negative number can be represented, negative number cannot be represented. Okay, means there is not a negative number. For example, age, number of children in class. Okay, so this never be the in negative number. Okay, means we are not assign any number, because by default is a positive. Okay, then signed representation. So all integer can be represented. Numbers can be positive, negative, or 0. Okay. For example, temperature, product of two numbers, and that's on. Now sign and magnitude, first complement and second complement. What is the first complement? The ones complement from a negative binary number is the bitwise not. Okay, I'm saying bitwise not. Okay, and the complement of its positive counterpart. For example, if we taking about the sign and magnitude representation, one complement has two representation. है ना, in previous slide I told you, we for the 0 we can write simply 0 0 0 0 and 1 1 1. Okay, hello, है ना? So here we, if you are talking about the 43, always in previous slide I take this example. So 43 base 10. Okay, so one complement from the 43 10 becomes, if means we are taking positive to negative. Okay, or simply what we do, we change our bit. If I take the 1 1 1 0 0 0 like here 0, so in the first complement we convert this from the 0 to 1, 1 from to the 0, and again 1 from to the 0. Means we reverse our bits. मतलब 0 replace from 1 and all 1 replace from the 0. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is the muted me? Why you people muted me? ये जो मैं बता रही हूँ आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है या आपको पता है सब पहले से? हेलो, गिव मी आंसर. हेलो, हेलो,
समझ आ रहा है.
मैम आ रहा, समझ में आ रहा.
ठीक है, ये बहुत ही सिंपल है. हम क्या करते हैं, जितना 1s कॉम्प्लीमेंट के लिए जितने भी हमारे पास बाइनरी में 1 नंबर होंगे उनको सिंपली रिप्लेस करेंगे 0 से, और जितने भी 0 होंगे उनको से रिप्लेस करेंगे 1 से. ओके, दिस इज अबाउट द फर्स्ट एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट. ठीक है, एंड सेकेंड एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट में क्या करेंगे, जो भी हमारे पास फर्स्ट एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट में जो भी नंबर आए उसमें सिंपली हम 1 जोड़ देते हैं. वी एट सिंपली 1 फॉर द 2s कॉम्प्लीमेंट. ठीक है, हमारे पास कोई भी नंबर होगा सबसे पहले उसको हम उसके जो भी बिट्स होंगे उसको रिवर्स में करेंगे. मींस इफ वी हैव 1 देन रिप्लेस फ्रॉम द 0, एंड इफ वी हैव 1 देन रिप्लेस फ्रॉम द 1. ओके, मींस 1 है तो 0, 0 है तो 1. सो दिस इज द, और जो हमें प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा, जो हमारे पास आंसर आएगा आफ्टर द कन्वर्टिंग, दिस नॉन एज द 1s कॉम्प्लीमेंट, और उसमें हमने 1 प्लस कर दिया. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा होता है 2s कॉम्प्लीमेंट. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया ये? हेलो, हेलो, गिव मी आंसर. है ना? ओके, तो यहाँ पे आपको ये भी यू कैन सी टेबल ना इन योर पीपीटी. ओके, तो फर्स्ट इज द डिनोटिंग डेसिमल नंबर,
Yes, ma'am.
second unsigned number, then sign and magnitude, then first and complement, and 2s complement. So what is the 2s complement? First is complement plus 1. This is known as the 2s complement. Okay, so if I take the decimal number plus 10 or negative 10, ठीक है, हेलो, सो होगा अनसाइन में हमने यहाँ पे कोई भी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव वैल्यू नहीं ली है. ठीक है, एंड बाय डिफॉल्ट इसको हम पॉजिटिव लेके ही चलते हैं. तो यहाँ पे केवल आप ये देख रहे होगे ओनली दिस रो आई फिल द नंबर, नॉट ऑन द दिस रो. ओके, ठीक है, तो दिस इज फॉर द योर अनसाइंड नंबर. एंड for your sign and magnitude, I told you for the positive we use the 0 sign bit, है ना, और for negative we use the 1 sign bit. These are the sign bit, है ना. तो पहले क्या होगा, ये तो हमारा 10 के लिए हो गया, but for the positive और negative you use the 0 और 1. समझ में आ रहा है ये?
Yes.
हेलो, है ना. Then what is the your first s complement? ये हमारे पास ये नंबर है, ठीक है। इसको फर्स्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट में किया तो क्या हो गया, ये सीधे क्या हो गया, जो 0 था वो 1 हो गया, 1 है वो 0 हो गया, है ना। इस पे हमें बस ये नोटिस करना है, वी आर एक्चुअली कन्वर्टिंग या कन्वर्जिंग द अवर नंबर 0 to 1 और 1 to 0, ठीक है। Focusing on this number only. Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then here is the 2s complement. Okay. So what is the 2s complement? First complement plus 1. Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Here is the table also. You can see here. है ना? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So this is your binary number system, then assigned and then sign and magnitude, and this is the first complement and 2s complement. है ना? I think there is no any problem. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
है ना, ये समझ में आ रहा है ना। ये हमारा जो 3 है हमने कैसे लिया, दिस इज 1 2 then 4 and then 8. तो if it 3 to 1 is a 3, so यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा हमारा 0 0 1 1. if we take the only 3, okay, तो this is the 0 1 1, और माइनस के लिए क्या हो जाएगा हमारा, दिस इज द साइन एंड मैग्नीट्यूड। तो हमारा क्या है, पहले क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, this is denoting our the sign and magnitude column, and this is for the complement, first complement, and for the 2s complement, first complement plus 1. So here we simply 0 1 1 plus 1 for the 2s complement. Okay, so we have here 1 0 0. ठीक है. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what will be the range of example? So unsigned total 8 representation from 0 to 7, and sign and magnitude total 7 distance value, 0 is the repeated. Okay. And for the first complement total 7 distant value, 0 again is the repeated. This is the 1s complement, and for the 2s complement all 8 representation, because here we plus 1. Okay. There is some example. Can you see 2 power 8? So here unsigned is the minus 2 2 2 5 5. So what is the sign and magnitude? Hello. For the 8-bit number system, this is unsigned number system. Okay. And sign, what will the sign and magnitude? Minus 2 positive. Okay. And for the first complement, this will be the same, and for the 2, this will be the 127 will be the 128. Hello. Hello. ये आपका प्रीवियस वाला समझ में आ गया ना? हेलो. हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now binary arithmetic. So the arithmetic of binary number means the operation of binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication and division. Okay. So there are 4 steps in my binary addition. So we can write 0 plus 0 is always 0, and 0 plus 1 is the 1. Okay. And if we talk about the 1 plus 1, these are the very simple, but at this point we talk about 1 plus 1, so this could not be the 2, है ना? So here we simply write 0 and carry 1 to the next significant bit. Okay, means binary में हम क्या ले सकते हैं? Either we can take 0 or we can take the 1. Okay, so if we talk about 1 plus 1, so we take the 0 and 1 carry for the next significant bit. Okay, this is the another example. Okay, so for the first column from the right, 1 plus 1 is the 0 and carry 1. Okay, then 0 plus 0 plus 1, then again carried 1. Okay, then 1 plus 1, third, this is about the third column, means we can solve by the column, first column, second column, third column. Okay, so here 0 and carry 1 again, then 0 plus 1 carried 1, 0 plus 1 plus, there is also no carry. Okay, because we add 0 plus 1 and 0 plus 1 again, then again no carry, and this is the 1. Okay, so this example is the, this result will be this. So what about this number? Please tell me. Quickly add both the example and reply to me. What will be the number? Hello.
Okay, ma'am.
Quickly do this. ये हो गया आपका नंबर सिस्टम. हेलो. हेलो. Do you done this summation? Hello.
बाइनरी में आंसर देना.
हाँ बेटा, इसको ऐड करके बाइनरी में तो आएगा ना, जो इससे पहले मैंने एग्जांपल बता रही थी कि आप बाइनरी टू बाइनरी कैसे ऐड कर सकते हो.
मैम,
अभी आप लोगों ने किया नहीं?
एक्सक्यूज मैम.
यस बेटे.
मैम, 1 4 times 0.
आपका जो भी आपने किया है ना, पेपर पे किया होगा, पेन थ्रू योर पेन एंड पेपर. हेलो.
यस मैम.
हाँ, तो प्लीज पोस्ट योर आंसर ऑन योर चैट बॉक्स. ठीक है.
ओके मैम.
हाँ, सो मतलब मुझे पता भी चल जाएगा किसने किया है, क्योंकि आई राइट नाउ आई कैन नॉट सी हु इज द टॉकिंग. ओके.
ओके मैम.
हाँ, चैट बॉक्स में कर दो पोस्ट, और मैं इसको फिर आगे कर रही हूँ. ठीक है, ये रूल है जो भी मैंने बताया था. दिस इज द रूल फॉर द माइनस. ठीक है, पॉजिटिव में क्या था, हम इन द पॉजिटिव वी टेक 0 and borrow 1, but in the negative for the negative we take 1 and borrow 1. okay, both are the 1. ठीक है. पॉजिटिव में क्या था, हम 0 ले रहे थे और बोरो 1 कर रहे थे, बट जब हम सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो 1 हम एज ए नंबर भी लेंगे और बोरो भी 1 करेंगे. ठीक है, दिस इज द मेन डिफरेंस. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ये रूल याद कर लेना. डू यू हैव दिस पीपीटी? ये पीपीटी है आप लोग के पास?
No, ma'am.
ठीक है, मैं अभी
No,
सेंड कर
ma'am.
दूंगी.
No,
ठीक है, ये
ma'am.
पीपीटी में सेंड कर लूंगी तो आप रिवीजन कर लेना. ठीक है. Then there are some the binary multiplication. ठीक है. Already we know if we multiply by any number to 0, so it will be the 0. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा and 1 1 होगा और यहाँ पे कोई भी बोरो नहीं होगा. ठीक है, ये आप देख लेना. Okay. So the main rules of the binary division. This is for the binary division. So if we divided both this line, these are the meaningless. Okay, so we will not take 0 or 0 into 1. Okay, so we will not take, we only take the 1 division by 1 or 1 division by the 0. ठीक है. For example, we take the 10 and division by the 1 1 1 1 1. So what is the first 10? Okay, then what will be the here? 1 and 1. Okay, then again take the 1, then 1 1, then again take 1. Okay, then we can take 1, so 10 10, then minus, then 0 0. Okay, this is the very simple example. You can try, or you should revise all the means all the multiplication and division and how we can subtract and addition within the binary number system. Okay. Now if we talk about the subtraction by 1's complement. So addition of the positive number with a negative number when the positive number has a greater magnitude. Okay. What is the magnitude? Any number, first number is always denoting the sign and rest of the number is the magnitude of the number. Okay, so whenever number has a greater magnitude or greater number, so we can addition of the positive number with a negative number. Okay, so first of all find the first and complement and change 0 to 1 and vice versa. Okay, this first stage में क्या करना है? We only change the 0 to 1 and 1 to change, and add the complement number with the minor which have the negative sign. Okay, if you got a carry, then carry 2 is the less significant bit. Otherwise the take the first complement to reuse with the negative. Okay, this is the example. So here simply take the first complement of the subtrahend. This will be the 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, which comes out 1 1 0 0. है ना? हमने क्या किया? कन्वर्ट किया इसको थ्रू द फर्स्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट में. नाउ सम. ओके, अब हमने इसको सम किया तो क्या आ गया हमारे पास? दिस इज द फर्स्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट अबाउट दिस नंबर. सो फर्स्ट वी कन्वर्ट इन द फर्स्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंड एडिशन, है ना, हमने यहाँ पे ऐड किया तो हमारे पास क्या आ गया? दिस इज द साइन बिट. ओके, एंड this is for the your magnitude. So we get a carry bit 1, so add this to the least significant of a given result. Okay, हेलो, है ना, समझ में आ गया ये?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now if we have addition of positive and negative number when negative number has a greater magnitude. Okay, so in this case we take the first complement, okay, of negative number. first edge complement of negative number and add the given positive number. Okay, since there are not be any end around carry bit, so take first edge complement in the result. This result will be the negative. ठीक है? For example, so what we will take? We will take the first complement of the which was the negative number, okay, which have the greater magnitude. So here we take the first complement of the 100 which come out the this. ठीक है? तो यहाँ से ये आ गया complement. Then we add the both the number. So we can take this and there is the no carry. So calculate first one complement of the result. Then again we complement this result or we got this answer. Now if we have addition of two negative number, so simply we need take first complement of both the number. Okay, both are the negative number. Okay, so in this case we take the first and complement for the both number. Previously we take only the one number complement, है ना? But here we take the one as complement for the both number, and simply we add the in MSB what will be the carry, and now take first and complement like a previous result, and we will the also negative number. Okay. For example, if we say we want to add -10 and -5 in 5-bit register, okay, this is the your number. So here we simply do first edge complement to this number. Okay, this one. Since there is a carry bit 1, so add this to the LSB of result. Okay, for example, this one, this number is this and plus 1. So this number will be the 1000. Now we can take the first complement of the result. What will the result? This is our result and this, and again we complement first as complement. So this number is the negative, means -5. Okay, because you know always first is denoting the sign bit. Okay, so 0 for the negative and 1 for the 15. So result will be the okay. So simply you already know what is the 2s complement. First s complement plus 1 is known as the 2s complement. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So 2s complement of -15 is the 100110. How we can see this? There is a sign bit 2 power 6 means 64. Okay. Can you see this table in your PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
And already you know how we can convert in this. Okay. In the previous class, 2 to power 0. Okay. 2 to power 1, 2 to power 4, 2 to power 3. There is no confusion. So -50 is equal to, we can write this also. In previous classes we already see how we can denote in this number 2 to power 4, 2 to power 3, 2 to power 5. Okay. So now consider a 4-bit signed number. Range for unsigned number is 0 to 15. Okay. Here we consider the 4-bit unsigned number. Means there is no negative number assigned. And range is the 0 to 15. So we can write here 7, 6, 13. Hello. This is again from the 1, 2, okay, 4 and 8. So 1, 1, 1 is the 7. Okay. And this is the 6 and 4, 8 plus this for the 4 and for this is the 1. So total is the 13. है ना? तो वो दीजिए, समझ में आ गया ये टेबल कैसे लिखा हुआ है? हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what is the overflow or underflow condition? Okay. So if any bit like here we consider the 4-bit signed number. Okay. So in signed number 0 is a MSB, most significant bit. This is the also known as the sign bit only, and the used to present sign. Okay. So in this number representation in the 2s complement range from -8 to +7. है ना? So in such condition we can say this is our overflow condition. Okay. Now we consider example 2, 8, 15 and 10 in the binary representation for signed representation. Okay. So these are the most significant bit which are denoted your sign, means sign bit. Okay. And if taken the -1 2s complement and again -6 2s complement and -7, this is the -8 plus 1 is equal to -7. Okay, so here we can say this is the overflow condition. ठीक है? So this is your example. And this is your unit and abbreviation and storage. Okay. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
I think your time is over now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So,
you will take attendance.
yes, I will take. Okay, so this slide I. One second. Who is absent today? Because I see only the 31 student. Naman and Santanu are the
Ma'am,
absent.
I got
Yes.
disconnected once, so please
Ma'am,
consider
I'm
that.
present, Naman.
Naman, are you present? And Santanu?
Yes, ma'am, I'm present.
Okay. Okay, Naman.
Ma'am, you have downloaded the attendance?
Yes, I have downloaded the attendance.
Okay.
Okay. And I also will post this PPT on your this channel only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So just
Excuse me, ma'am.
right now. Yes, bete.
What is the syllabus for minors?
Yes, ma'am.
Because
Yes, ma'am. Same.
this for this your only class teacher give you answer, है ना? Maybe he joined from Monday, so she will be joined from Monday. So she will be the give you correct answer because I am
Ma'am,
not
Nidhi
taking
ma'am?
this. Yes, Nidhi ma'am, है ना?
Nidhi ma'am. Okay ma'am.
हाँ, because I am not taking C in any class. है ना? In emergency, I am taking this lecture. Otherwise, I am not taking your this syllabus. है ना? तो that's why I have no idea. Okay?
Okay ma'am.
हाँ, इमरजेंसी में मैंने ये क्लास लिया है. अदरवाइज मतलब मैं सी पढ़ाती नहीं हूँ किसी भी सेक्शन में. तो आई हैव नो एनी आइडिया अबाउट योर सिलेबस. ठीक है, तो निधि मैम मंडे से आ जाएंगी. सो सी विल बी द गिव यू राइट एंड करेक्ट आंसर. ओके
Okay ma'am. Thank you ma'am.
ओके. मीनवाइल मैं आपको ये पीपीटी सेंड कर रही हूँ, तो इससे आप हेलो
Ma'am, you're not taking the attendance?
यस आई डाउनलोडेड द अटेंडेंस. है ना?
So can we leave?
Ma'am, I got disconnected.
1 minute, I am uploaded your PPT for your practice, so that you can practice now. 1 minute. This is your the C na number system module. Okay. I uploaded the PPT. Have you seen? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Can we leave?
Yes, you can leave.
Actually, I got disconnected.
PPT मिल गई है ना आप लोग को? I have uploaded the PPT. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.